Between each job that you're doing, you're going to be cleaning the sheets, shaking them out, removing any bits, and then taking them onto another job. Between preparation, you're going to be shaking the sheets, putting them back in the room. But after a certain length of time of using them, especially when you're washing down or stripping wallpaper, there's moisture, water getting onto these, and they can start to smell after a time. So you do need to clean them. So I've started with this one and give it a good shake. Like I say, between each job, you shake them anyway. But that's what I've done here now. Give it a good shake, make sure there's no bits on it. If you were stripping wallpaper, then to help keep the sheets clean, take the surface of the paper off and just lay that down over the sheets where you're working. So that'll stop the wet paper sticking to the sheets. So I've only got a small amount of powder in there. I've put this on an eco wash, 15 minutes, speed 800 RPM and temperature nothing, cold water wash. Just get these on and then I can clean the other sheets ready to come in here. As soon as it's ready, get this out. Don't overload it because there's only so much water going to be going through this, and plus you'll just overweight the barrel. Then into the spin dryer. And just some numbers. 2,800 RPM there, which is pretty good. And then power consumption to about 400 watts. Not too bad. And when loading these things, you have to be careful of making sure that the weight is evenly distributed, and also don't make it top heavy. So I'm just going to put it in around the edges, just feed it in. This thing will just fly all over the place if you're not careful. Just like your washing machine will bounce. Well, this ain't going to bounce, it's going to flick off. I'll get this on first before I put another sheet in. Actually, important. So that'll lock it, power's already on, we're off. This only takes a few minutes, 3 to 5 minutes for every stuff. I've had it on for about 5 minutes. Turn it off at the electric and then just let it slow down enough before you open it. So this will act as a brake, it will stop any motion, it will cut it off, but to save this, just let it slow down enough. And this is ready to go outside. I've already got another sheet on, as you can hear. Also, what I like to do is just tilt this forward a little bit, take away the excess drips and empty that away so you don't kick it over. These won't take long at all. I can leave the motor to cool on this while that other sheet finishes washing. First one that's nearly dry, fold up, put to one side. Now I can get another one on. Make sure this is clean inside when you've finished, and then make sure that the filter's clean as well.